Today we'll be crocheting these cute little heart rings. They are extremely easy to make and only takes a few minutes to crochet. First, we will be making the heart. Start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets. Make 2 single crochets. Chain 1. Make 1 double crochet and chain 1. Then make 2 single crochets. And 2 double crochets. Tighten the magic ring. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Then I'm going to make the band by chaining 14. 14 chain stitches are perfect for my fingers. Make sure the chain stitches are nice and tight. You can measure the size of the ring by wrapping it around your fingers like this. You can increase or decrease the number of chain stitches according to your fit. Cut the yarn off and pull. Now we're going to join the band with the heart. Take the yarn needle and sew it to the tip of the heart. Sew in the tail end. You should also sew in the remaining tail from the magic ring to make the ring more secure. Cut off the remaining tail ends. Here we have this cute little heart ring. You can wear this heart ring right away, or you can harden the ring by cutting it with a mixture of 1 part craft glue and 1 part water and letting it dry for a day. I hardened the rings and here they are after drying. That's it guys, please like and subscribe to my channel.